and welcome to another macrocosm video. How are vast distances in the remote reaches of the universe measured by astronomers? A new approach has just been discovered by an international team under the direction of Maria Daianati, an assistant professor at the National Astronomical Observatory of Japan, NAOJ. This is because to the difficulty of locating standard candles bright enough to be seen at distances greater than 11 billion light-years from Earth. The farther away from the Big Bang we are, the more difficult it is to locate such extremely bright objects. Objects that consistently exhibit the same absolute brightness, the brightness you'd see if you were standing directly next to this thing, are known as standard candles. They are typically employed by scientists when they are measuring extremely vast distances in the cosmos. Astronomers can determine the object's distance from Earth and other nearby objects by comparing an object's absolute brightness to its apparent brightness, what we see from Earth. These objects become increasingly rare as they get farther from us 11 billion light-years away. As a result, Maria Daianati's team began exploring for some new standard candles and discovered that gamma-ray bursts, GRBs, which are significant radiation explosions brought on by the death of big stars, might be useful. These bursts are sufficiently light, although how bright they are dependent on the explosion's characteristics. The scientists therefore examined data from 500 gamma-ray bursts, coming from various telescopes to use them as standard candles. The scientists discovered 179 of these objects that are quite similar to one another and may have formed in a similar manner by examining the patterns of how GRBs brighten and decrease over time. The scientists determined the brightness and distance for each GRB that can be used to measure vast distances in the universe by looking at the behavior of their light. The discoveries will expand our understanding of this type of GRBs and enable us to gaze farther and deeper into the cosmos. Isn't that incredible? Gamma-ray bursts are used in this research as conceptual illustration to calculate distances in space. Amazing fact. After the Big Bang, gamma-ray bursts are the most powerful and brilliant electromagnetic occurrences in the universe. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.